not record it yet.
Why?
Alright, fine. This is me and Kim. We're doing the cinnamon challenge. Introductions, Kim.
How do you open this?
Twist it.
No.
Pop the top, really, but if it ain't been opened, it's got a thing in it.
Yeah, it has been.
Well, let's just open it and stick your spoon in and get your spoonful. Yeah, that's why you can get cinnamon.
That's good.
What you gotta do, so you can hold it in your mouth longer?
No, we gotta swallow it. In a minute. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have as much as me? Okay. Mark, set, go.
Come on, his nose. Go to the kitchen sink, honey.
That was bad, but I can do it. I swear I did it, okay, let's. Okay. That was a bad attempt.